Previously on Ready to Die.
Yeah.
Hi besties, welcome back to the channel, y'all. It's your girl Zania Green back again with another video. And if you guys are new to the channel, welcome, and if you guys are not, welcome back. As you guys can see by today's title, your girl actually does not even know what I'm going to name this video. However, I do know that this is going to be a collective vlog video. So basically, I'm just going to be showing you guys a lot in this vlog. I don't know if it's going to be chaotic or I don't know if it's going to be structured, but yeah, basically I'm just going to be showing you guys quite a lot. I'm just going to be basically showing you guys a lot of it's probably going to be maintenance, but I am going to be showing a couple of clips of me getting ready for my new job, which I work back at the old hospital that I used to work at 2 years ago. You know, school, and just basically how life has been these last couple of weeks, because I do know that I took like a 3-month hiatus off of YouTube, but I really was active on TikTok and Instagram. But basically this video is just going to be, I don't know, it's going to be a vlog. I do know that. Before we hop to the rest of the video, make sure to subscribe down below. Your girl is on the road to 700 subscribers, and we are currently sitting at 640? No. Who are we sitting at? 670. I think we're sitting at 670. So yeah, share this video with a couple of your fave people. Make sure to follow me on all of my socials, really just my Instagram and my TikTok. And without further ado, let's continue with the rest of this video. So you know something has to happen for me to come on camera looking like who did it and why. Yeah, your girl is about to do her hair. I actually have to go to the hair store right now to get wrapping hair because I'm about to do faux locks, whatever the case may be. And I know your girl is not looking up to par, but you know what? We're gonna get there. But anyways, yeah, I have to go to the hair store to get some wrapping hair, so that is where we're going. Okay, y'all. So if you guys cannot tell, this is not Dior. I have a rental car right now. And I was supposed to film a previous video as to why I have a rental car, but I'm just gonna put this little section in this video right now. Basically your girl got into a little bit of a car accident and I needed to get my car fixed. And so I was provided a rental for a little while. And her name is Remy, and she's cute. She's an SUV and she's a Toyota. I think she's adorable. At first I was like, me driving an SUV? Crazy. But you know, the more I drive it, the more I'm like, okay, we like Miss Remy, we love her.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know, but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. It's some me time. Hope you know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. No, I'm up, my killers don't tell. Shadow, I'm up, cause I New York the shelf.
Hi besties. So as you guys can see, your girl's head is halfway done. That is because I was talking to a friend for the duration of the back of my head. So this is what the back of my head looks like. I'm not gonna sit here and cap. It's getting very much stiff right about now, but it's okay. We're gonna get through this. I am going to record the front of me doing my hair, and then I'll get into where I got the hair from, how much it costs, and yada yada yada, the logistics. But yeah, I think it's cute so far, but it is getting very much stiff.
Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. It's some me time. I don't know. You know what you want. But it's been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. In the meantime, just not doing what I want. Need some me time. Doing what you want. In the meantime, just not doing what I want. Need some me time.
Good morning. Today is orientation at the hospital. I'm gonna go take a shower. Okay, so for today's business casual, we are going to be wearing like this black romper right here. I need a lint roller. My black work pants, I had to try these on yesterday, but my black work pants from Chick-fil-A, and then my black boots. Yes, we are going all black today. Scent of the day is going to be floral marshmallow. It is time for me to go, y'all. I'm still very much tired. I only got like 5 hours of sleep last night, so I have my little acai bowl that I'm eating right now. It's currently 7:15, so I actually need to be on my way like right about now. But I'm gonna finish this and then I'm gonna see y'all when I see y'all. Y'all can see a better view of the outfit. I'm literally so cute. Anyways, so we're currently on break. We have a 15-minute break, so I'm just in here taking pictures and videos. Hi, besties. So it is currently 4 o'clock, and we're officially done with orientation for, at least for today. Y'all, look at I got my badge today, y'all. Like, it's not that bad of a picture. Like, it's really not that bad of a picture. The guy who took it did it pretty good. I'm not gonna sit here and cap. But yes, today we are done with orientation. I'm about to go home because I actually have quite a lot of homework to do. So I'm gonna go home, do some homework, and then I need to still continue with the maintenance because I have not done a face mask. I have not done my lashes. I have not did my eyebrows. So I kind of need to continue with the maintenance. But I did say that a lot of this vlog, I did kind of want to bring you along on my like CNA nursing kind of journey, whatever the case may be. So yeah, Today was, I guess, today wasn't that bad, but it was boring as I'll get out. Hey besties, I'm back. Today is May 13th. It's currently 8:23 and I am on my second day of orientation. Today is day 2 of orientation. I'm speaking so fast because I actually gotta be in this building in like 7 minutes. So yeah, today is day 2 of orientation, and we are wearing our scrubs today, meaning we're probably going to be in the patient care area or something of that sort. So I probably won't be recording as much as I did yesterday. I really didn't record very much yesterday either, but you know, I probably won't record anything just because I got the scrubs on today. But you know, your girl needs another scrub top because I don't know what's gotten bigger. Like, I don't know if it was the boobs, the arms, or what, but it's very tight up here. Down here by the stomach area, we are fine. We are perfectly fine. But up here, it's a little tight, so I'm gonna need another scrub top or whatever. But yeah, that's all. I'm gonna stop playing around because if I walk in there late, everybody gonna be staring. Hi besties, y'all want to say hi or no? Okay, never mind, y'all on your phones. So today is the next day. I actually really don't know what the date is. I'll put it on the screen for you guys. I have the next 3 days off, you guys. So for the next 3 days, I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing, but I am about to go over to my dad's house today. But as you guys can see, your girl has done her lashes. Now I'm about to attempt to do my eyebrows because I had this henna stuff that I bought a long time ago, and I'm just now deciding to use it. So we're gonna try it, we're gonna see how this works, and I'll get back to you because this is not a tutorial.
Are you laughing at Z?
What? What? My eye actually really do hurt. I'm not gonna sit here and care.
Lunging at Leonardo for help, but there was no one around to save the dolphins. They continued. up on the AR, how you did that? Track out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and over watch it, how you did that? You hit some skeletons in your closet, why you did that? How you yelling slash slash, how I kill a cat, yeah. Hopping around in a tutu, make back pillows in the back. Too many
How old is the baby? He's 10.
Do it again, better shit with a song.
Hi besties. So today is the day that I get my car back. So unfortunately we're saying goodbye to Remy. It was fun. It was fun while it lasted, but I want my car back even though I was planning to take pictures with Remy. But it's okay. We'll figure all of that out. But today's the last day I will have Remy and I will get Dior back. Bye Remy. It was nice knowing you. Probably real rough right about now, but your girl got Miss Dior back. Ah! Look at her. She is so clean on the outside. I don't even look like I got into a car accident.
So I never actually officially ended out this video, so this is the outro. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Mwah.
Yeah.